Karli Spahr here with the American Dream Home Team, and I'm coming from 5410 Wisconsin Avenue North in New Hope, and we are at the drywall stage, so it's all insulated. Drywall is up, just waiting for them to plaster at this point. So you can see the living room, fireplace, recessed lighting, starting to come together, how it's all nice and open in here. You can see that pantry back there in the kitchen. We'll have the island, half bath down here, nice bright light. Storage over here, again, all nice and open. You can see over here, patio doors, Marvin windows. We have that nice pantry right there. We'll have cabinets installed in there. Covered patio back here. This is the mud room, not the permanent doors. Remember, those go away later. And we're gonna have benches with hooks here. And then downstairs in the basement, I'm not gonna go down there today. It's still a little dark, but we have a bedroom. Oh, you know what? I think I'll be okay. You can kind of see. So the living room here, utility, got a bedroom with egress and a walk-in closet, or not a walk-in, but we'll have bifold doors there. And you're not going to be able to see in here. I'm sorry, I don't have my flashlight. The bathroom, it's a 3/4 bath, and there'll be room for an office with a closet in there. Go back upstairs here real quick. So this brings you in. When you go upstairs, this is the mudroom entry from the garage. You can see in the garage, it's nice and large. No garage door yet, but 2.5 stall deep garage, 26 by 25. So let's go upstairs here. This is that front hallway. We have cabinetry here. If you want to set things, charging station, whatever. We've got this closet here with the Christmas light switch right there. That'll be in the soffits outside. It is below 0, so I am not taking a video outside, but I will post a picture in the comments of the outside. Up here, we've got the half wall, so you can see it's all nice and open. 2 bedrooms there, walk-in closets in both. Really nice view of the park across the street. I get so excited about that. Go down the hall here. We've got a full bath right there. This will be a laundry room, linen closet, master bedroom with a really awesome cathedral ceiling. Full, well, it's a shower, dual sinks, giant walk-in closet here. I love this. Really nice and big. You'll see in here, little nook if you want to put shoes or whatever. Karli Spahr with American Dream Home Team.